So bhí sé compórta go leor de bhleac clia sa dara le ach is sa bhailach de scéal go thomláin a bhí an sa chéad tréimhse bhí I Fáilí ceithre chulín chun tosaigh ag le hamas dócha a bhuachas an Págéirice ag Ó'Ríain Kelly treis ruthúrúntaach ag Emmett Nolan agus ceithre chulína den na fórna ach bhleac clia anna ifriúil ar fad nuair a tháinig sé isteach sa dara le. Bhín an tain scór a 4 bhleac clia ón immert in san géad le ach Sean ceann 60 second isteach sa dara le an chéad chúlaigh Sean Treacy as péire a fuair sé agus Sean dara ceann an son lena bhróg agus á sé tabling an son I fada go mé de caint leis tá sé héana féchant ar an scáilán an son Sean looking at the pictures there. A happy man, I'd say, especially with the way the second half went for you.
Yeah, looking at it in the first half, we just didn't do ourselves justice, and we came out. Joe gave us one in the dressing room, so we just had to go out and prove that we didn't really do much what we were doing all year. So came out in the second half, and I think we did that.
Yeah, look, we knew that Offaly were going to throw the kitchen sink at us, and you know the conditions there tonight were tough in the first half as well, and you know we had a few choice words at half time that to make sure that lads were accountable and that we weren't going back down on a bus having left a final that we felt that we had it in us to win. You know, I'm so proud of them young lads. They've put an awful lot, put their life on hold, you know, over the last while as well, and to get to this level you have to really go at it, and they've done it, and I'm thrilled for them, I'm thrilled for Dublin. That's what it's about, you know, it's about making sure when you get to the finals you win them.
GAA BEO TG4.